Meet Michael. Michael is an optician. He would like to know if his glasses are matching his customer's age and gender, but also predict how many customers will visit his store the next 10 days in order to optimize staff planning. Michael finds out that Arrow can help build a solution that can deliver customer insights like average age and gender. By using Microsoft Cognitive Services, Arrow can deliver data insights like number of customers visiting his store each day, statistics like customer development, average age, gender, emotion, facial hair, and glasses, forecast based on weather and holiday data combined with historical data. Since the solution is built on standard Microsoft Azure cloud services, Michael does not need to invest in hardware. Michael only needs to pay a small monthly fee for the solution. Michael are now able to increase sales based on better customer insights while improving customer service by optimizing staff planning. At the same time, Michael will never run out of sunglasses on a sunny day.